Hey guys, so we have major news in the crypto space, and after I explain you what's happening, you will be really bullish on the space for the next few weeks, few months. First of all, Bitcoin is already pumping 88.5 thousand, which is crazy. I actually didn't expect that we will go up right now. I expected big moves in May, maybe in June, but I think this is happening because gold price is going to a new all-time high, 3,500 per ounce, and I will explain you everything about gold later. First of all, the biggest bullish news in the last day is that Paul Atkins is actually sworn in as an SEC chair. So he basically is starting to work as a SEC chairman. He's bullish on crypto. He's bullish on Bitcoin. The previous Gary Gensler was really bearish. He was basically making all this crazy stuff, which was basically bearish for the whole crypto industry. Now we have a pro crypto Paul Atkins. So insane news. Maybe this is why we are pumping as well. Next thing is that gold rises to 3,500 for the first time, and here you can see gold price is insane, going high from 2,600 to 3,500 in the last year, which is really crazy. And here you can see that Bitcoin is actually correlating with gold. It started correlating at around in 2020. Here you can see gold price went up, and after that we had the biggest Bitcoin and crypto bull run in history. And right now you can see gold price is going up, and Bitcoin is basically correlating and going up as well. And the fact that we are seeing a new gold all-time highs in the basically every day, and Bitcoin is still around 88,000. I think soon we will see a new all-time highs for Bitcoin as well, because institutions are buying Bitcoin. Also, here you can see we had 381 million worth of Bitcoin ETFs bought only yesterday. So basically highest since January. And if we are looking at Bitcoin price in January, so let's see. Here you can see January was the all-time highs for Bitcoin, and now we see the biggest inflows. That's why I think as the gold price is moving to new all-time highs basically every day, that's why I think we will see a big pump in the Bitcoin as well. Also, the global liquidity is making all-time highs, which shows that Bitcoin should go to 140 to 160 in summer, which is insane, but I'm ready for it. And the fact that we have not pumped yet in 2025 and the altcoins are not going up as much as Bitcoin is and gold, I think the longer we wait, the bigger bull run we will have at the end. And maybe it is 2026, maybe we are starting in summer. I think most definitely the Q4 of 2025 will be insane. And again, what I want to show you is that Trump basically is starting to blame the Powell for the economic downturn if it starts, because it is really weird that Powell is not cutting rates. The rates are around 4.5%. Meanwhile, the European banks, the central bank has cut rates 7 times since 2024. Right now, the rates in Europe is around 2%, something like that. So Powell has a lot of work to do. I don't know why he is doing this. Maybe some political reasons. Someone is paying him to not cut rates, and they just want to make Trump look bad. Although Trump is basically doing the tariff thing, but I still think that S&P 500 is going lower today. It erased 1.5 trillion in the stock market. And always after these huge crashes, there are big rate cuts and big money printing. And right now, Powell is not doing anything. He's not even hinting that we will have a big rate cuts. And yeah, Trump is starting to blame him for the economy, for the bad stock prices, because he obviously wants to fire the Powell. And this man right now has the biggest power to basically turn everything 180 degrees and make the Bitcoin pump, made the crypto, the altcoins pump. And yeah, that's basically what we are seeing, that gold price is correlating and Bitcoin is basically just a store of value. For altcoins, we need actual money printing. We need incentives for utility coins to go up, because right now no one cares about utility in crypto. Everyone just wants gold to go up, and institutions are buying Bitcoin. They're not buying Ethereum because again, Ethereum is for utility, for smart contracts. Nobody cares about that. And if you're talking about meme coins, what I'm holding is Base God still, because Jesse Pollack has been talking about Base God a lot. Some people ask me about Dogging Me. If I'm holding, I'm not holding because they did the worst launch. They basically launched this in April 2nd, right when Trump announced the tariffs. So this is the worst listing on Coinbase in my opinion. That's why I'm not holding. I don't care. I am waiting for the Base God, because Base God will most definitely be listed, in my opinion, on Coinbase. Because again, if you haven't seen this, the Jesse Pollack, the founder of Base Network, has been talking about, has been mentioning and replying to TYBG. Here you can see April 18th, April 12th. Basically, for the last few days, he has been replying to "Thank you, Base God" meme coin, and ready for action. What this means, maybe listing soon. Maybe there will be an announcement that the TYBG is added to the Coinbase roadmap, which will make this coin go up significantly. Right now, the market cap is only 8 million. When the announcement comes, first of all, there will be some insiders buying before the announcement, as it always happens. And for example, this will go to 20 million, 2x. After the announcement, it will do another 2 or 3x. So in total, that's around 6x. And after the listing, maybe we'll have 2x, some more. So in total, if the Bitcoin keeps going up, I see an easy 10x after the listing. Let's hope this is not some fake bomb. But again, looking at the gold price and institutions actually buying Bitcoin, I don't see this going down. Also, the Michael Saylor bought 500 million worth of Bitcoin. So I don't actually see why this is not at 100,000, because again, gold price is all-time high. Bitcoin is only at around 88,000. And I think this will be the first time when we will see a huge all-time highs in Bitcoin in summer. This has never happened before. That's why, again, I'm really, really bullish. Everything is bullish except this guy, Powell. When he cuts the rates and the Fed starts printing money, that's when the actual altcoin season will start. Ethereum, everything below Bitcoin will start going up significantly. So yeah, if you want to start trading, I have all the links for affiliates, so you get bonuses for trading for MEXC. I have also Bullish is the best platform to trade, buy, and sell Solana meme coins. This invite only. Invite link is in the description. You can set your own gas fees. You can use Twitter tracker to track tweets. You can use wallet tracker to track wallets like Ansem, Orangey, Capsi, Dave Portnoy. So this is the best Solana meme coin trading tool. What else? I have Bybit. Again, link is in the description. If you want a big bonus for trading on Bybit, you can short and long on Bybit. Most the smart people are using this exchange. And yeah, you can make money in downtrends and in uptrends, doesn't matter, because you can short and long the markets. If you see bad news, you can short and get money by shorting. So if the price is going down, you can still make money, especially on Bybit. So link is in the description if you want to get a bonus for trading. And lastly, my Patreon. I am posting daily news, daily alpha. If there's something valuable in the crypto space happening, I am posting on Patreon as soon as possible. So my followers are basically able to make money even in this time. And as we are approaching a new bull run, there will be more opportunities coming, more announcements from different projects. And as a big influencer, I can get many whitelists, many opportunities that only I can get or be influencers, and I will be posting here for my supporters. So my Patreon is paid Patreon, $10 a month, but you'll get really, really great alpha. And again, as the crypto is starting to go up, I will be posting more, much better stuff, and it is much easier for me to post on Patreon because it takes me a few seconds. For YouTube, it takes me up to few hours because I have to record, I have to upload and make thumbnail. So much easier to get alpha on Patreon. That's why it is paid. Again, in crypto, when we are in a bull run, there are basically opportunities that basically are for a few minutes, few seconds. You have to act really, really fast. Again, Patreon, all the links are in the description for all the basically trading platforms and exchanges. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.